This is some footage I've got from Slrc at Good Evening Ranch down in West Virginia. We compete in open rear steer class, and thanks Johnny for spotting me. If you're on Instagram, go check out some of his work under Parks Photography. He is really good at what he does, and hope you enjoy the video. Joe Evans in my old buggy decided to give comp crawling a shot. His buggy now is super wide, so we struggle a little bit, but we had fun. So here is Jeremy Graham and his little Suzuki Samurai that could. This thing hurts feelings everywhere it goes. It was a great weekend at SLRC. We are in 3rd place overall. We got 2nd in our class, open rear steer, and we are going to hopefully be headed to the last one at Roush Creek. If you're local, stop by. Don't forget hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the trail.